front of me is Samsung Galaxy A20e, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Firstly, go into Devices Settings and tap on Connections. Now select Bluetooth and click on this switcher next to Bluetooth feature. Following that, you need to wait for available devices to show, and when they do, just click on the one that you wish to connect to. In order to continue, you need to select OK in this pop-up and then wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, you can do that using this gear icon next to the device and choosing Unpair. So sorry, misclick. If you wish to connect to this device again, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!